Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet and you're watching my channel Mahaneet. Guess where we are today? Coorg. This is near Chatali. As you can see, it's cold, misty morning. The time right now it's about 8:30 a.m. and we're heading to Mangalore. Stay tuned as we explore Mangalore. We are reaching Mangalore. How was the drive so far? Do you like the drone shot? Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Well, stay tuned as we explore Mangalore city right now. So welcome to RiverRoost Resort. This is where we've reached for the stay here at Mangalore. This is by the river and by the sea. We're very close to the sea and you can see the river there. We can take a few drone shots and you have a river just in front of our room. It's the backwaters of the river. So let's take a tour of the room. Come on in. This is Jiggy's cycle and this is a wooden cottage. It's a wooden logged cottage and this is a bed. We have AC, mirror, side tables. That's the bathroom and we have our very own fridge and some kettle and other things. Here we can hang our clothes. Here we can hang our clothes and it's a nice wooden cottage. Come on, let's go have lunch. For lunch, which one will take? Trip at Mangalore. So we are heading to the beach right now. Stay tuned as we head to the beach. The time right now it's 11 a.m. and today is I think Monday. It's the starting of the week. Good to have a Monday morning blues. Come on, let's go people. Well, hope you like this at our log to Madikeri and Mangalore. We are heading back to Bangalore now, so it's going to be adieu and goodbye times. So as usual, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. And if you do like this video, give me a thumbs up. And also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So stay tuned until the next one. Stay curious. Cheers, adios, and it's goodbye. Bye bye.